Doho mamalo mogik midendo ni the Supreme Court of Kenya ne obago romo magala moro gi jodak e kaunti ma Mombasa mar winjo pachgi ewi kaka gitayo chenro mekgi kod chiwo ler ne jopiny ewi ng'ikruok manitiere. Moko kuom jopinyno oseyo dohono kuom beko tol e ng'ado moko kuom buche mochwalnegi gino magikoni itudo gi bedo ni piny owacho buogogi, mana kaka George Aoko leronwa.
Romo mane okelo kanyakla jong'ad bura e doho mamalo mar Supreme Court to kod jodak e kaunti ma Mombasa mar twak ewi okange ma dohono osegoyo. Kae moko kuom jodak ne onyiso luoro ni chal ni dohono duoko chien bith mare e ng'ado moko kuom buche to chutho nyaka ne giwit kuchande yiero mar higa 2017.
After the 2017 election petition case, it's like you are developing cold feet, the Supreme Court. It's like you've been intimidated by the state and you are losing your grip.
Okay, we are a constitutional democracy, but from where I stand, we are a wobbly democracy. At times I wonder, are we a failed democracy? Are we a catalyzed democracy? Are we a democracy sui generis? Because when we have a democracy without an official opposition, what does this mean?
Kotel na gikodo kil Yusuf Abubakar mabende en jakedo ne ratich oganda gikoni doho no chal ni pok wuok oko motegno e ng'ado buche to chutho mago motenore gi rocho ratich oganda. En wach makata kamano ne okwedi gi jong'ad burago makoni chike matayogi e bura mora mora mochwal e nyimgi.
As human rights defenders, we are scared that things may not go the pre-2017 where you exhibited the boldness, the courage to confront human rights violations. The perception we have is that you are now intimidated. Please don't be intimidated. We are with you.
We hope we're not intimidated by the state. We hope. But also, and we plead with you to understand us. Intimidation also does not come also from the state. Intimidation will come from religious groups who say, you must decide this way. So in the end, we just have to look at what does the law say? Because whatever we do, years from now, people will check and see, did they follow the law or did they not follow the law?
I think we've done well. If you allow me to judge that with these 13 years, we've done very, very well. And so when we had our conference, we discussed all the 5 areas of jurisdiction. Only one has not been tasted, the one for state of emergency. But we looked at the presidential election petitions and the other petitions that come to the Supreme Court. And we think as a result of our decisions over the years, the law seems now settled.
Pogruok mathoro nyiedhore e kinde ka opach jopiny kata public participation to chutho e kinde mag lieko budget ne bende olosie kuma ne oyangore ni nyao pod nitiere e chik mar tayo chenro no.
We saw the National Assembly even coming up with some detailed documents of what to feel when. Immediately that decision was reversed with the Finance Act of 2023. They completely changed. And so it is documents that are brought so that this public participation is not taken very seriously.
The National Assembly or Parliament has not enacted a law on public participation. And therefore the detail on how public participation should be conducted is what the challenge is. We raised this in our decision in BBI, and we gave principles, like we should as a court, what should be the guidelines for public participation, and we asked Parliament to enact a law.
Ne bende gichiwo ler ewi bura manyocha ging'ado mar puodho ndiko riwruok mar LGBTQ moting'o johera manie chwech achiel.
LGBTQ issue. And we all agreed that this one was against our society, both the religion people and the non-religious, like the traditional religions. The Supreme Court went ahead and effected, it did not listen to the people.
The parties were the NGO board and this individual who wanted to register an NGO. Now, the activities that you're talking about were not before the court. The concerns that you have were not before the court. What was before the court is registration.
George Aoko, Ramogi TV, Mombasa.